Hey guys, in this video I'm going to, I did unbox this already, but I'm going to talk about this amazing product, and this is not an advertising, like I don't get paid for it, unfortunately. And I also didn't receive this for free, but I love it, so I want to make a video about it. This is Esteban, it's the brand, and I bought this at John Lewis, and it's a diffuser and also a light, okay, and it just looks so cool. Let me present to you, because I have a remote. So wow, look at this. Look at this mist mode. Look at this. So basically, you obviously have to buy the oil, okay? And it should be from the same brand, but I guess it doesn't matter, but I've been told it has to be the same brand. I'll show you how to use this. And first of all, it looks cool. It smells amazing. It's also a light, like a functional light. It's amazing. Look at how, oh my God, I love it. Okay, so this is the box, right? If you're asking for the price, it's £79, and I know that's like a lot of money, but this will last you a long time. The oils cost £10, so £9.95, but it's gonna, I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I mean, I think it's pretty long, because they give you the sample in the box, so it's kind of like a couple of drops of oil. So basically you put this, you put the water in it, and then you have the sample. And I mean, I've been using it like since the morning, and it's still going, and I don't know how long this is gonna go for, but it's just literally a couple of drops. So if you need refresher and you get the remote, this is amazing. Light, bright, yeah. If you want a beautiful smell in your home and the light, I would recommend this. Okay, so let's read this. High quality fragrance, small and big spaces, ambience, luminous effect, oh, it's in French, it's kind of Frenchy, so I don't know. Candlelight effect, I love this. This is the mode that I'm using, because I like to feel like this is actually a candle. And then scented humidifying mist. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, but I mean, I can't describe how cool this is from start to finish, like the smell, the look, the design, the light, and kind of like, oh my God, it's amazing. This is it for me, and just wanted to kind of like share what you have in the package as well. Obviously you do have kind of like the brush, you have the sample, and then you have all the parts, so pretty much it's quite straightforward. So if you like this, go and buy it. I don't get the commission, there's no link for discount, sorry. Just wanted to talk about this and show you how it looks like, because I'm like excited. They only have two designs, but I went for they have black and light, and I went for black because I have a lot of equipment that I have in my office, obviously black, so it kind of fits in here. And I mean, yeah, I like this. Let me know what you think, if you have any questions, and if you like it, it's a perfect gift, really, for anybody.